friends, welcome back. My name is Roline, and actually today I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain. Okay, you need a subdomain for your website, maybe for testing purposes, or you want to extend your services, so you can use the subdomain instead of using a new domain. Okay, yes, I'm going to use my hosting as a demonstration, and right now I'm using Orange Hosting, so I'm just going to search Orange Hosting. The good thing with creating subdomains is it's just like universal to all hosting companies. What you see I'm using right now is Orange Hosting, but you can use the same approach to other hosting providers like Do Hosting, like Hostinger, HostGator, Namecheap, NameHero, and so many of them. They are just having, most of them just having the same cPanel, and if it's not the same, at least the same configuration methods. All right, so I'm going to log into my cPanel on my account on my hosting. Yes, so this I just logged on using Google, so you can choose what you have used it to log in using. And actually here I will see my plans, and I'm just going to go direct to my cPanel. Okay, so this is my actually cPanel. Oh, one bit one longer, here we are. Okay, so this is my dashboard for my cPanel. So whenever you navigate to your cPanel, you'll see a lot of options. Okay, I know until watching this video, maybe at least you know a little bit about cPanel, but if you don't know, a cPanel is just a control panel which help us solve everything related to our websites. Okay, yeah, so if I need to create a subdomain, it means I will navigate directly to option of domain. You see I have an option of domain, so here is where all of our domains are managed here. So when I click here, I will see all of domains associated with this hosting plan, and actually you see I have almost one, two, three, four, five, six. I have 6 domain in this hosting plan. Okay, yes, but I have subdomain like testy, like demo. Yeah, so this is a subdomain that I used. So if you need to create a subdomain, maybe I'm here, I'm going to select it, like create a new domain. Okay, a new domain, but for now I need to create a subdomain, so I'm not going to write direct like, hey, I need to make a subdomain, but instead I'm just going to write the name of my subdomain. Like the subdomain is called support, like support dot, you after dot you add the name of your domain. Okay, so in this case my domain is loadline. Okay, it's loadline.co.tz, loadline.co.tz. Okay, .co.tz, and sometimes you get the various options here, you see, so I can check out, hey, I need just use support.loadline.co.tz. We're just getting all these because we have almost 5 domains. That's why we see we have various options, but for now I need to use support.loadline.co.tz. and you see here we have an option again. If you leave it like this, it means it will go to the directory of the main or the root domain. Okay, but if you untick here, it means it will have its only path for all files to be stored. Okay, so I'm just going to use this because if you use this let's say a custom path, it will help you to manage all these subdomains and domains. Okay, yeah, because if you use like share on the document on the root from the root or from the main domain, it means sometimes you can get confused, because whenever you need to access something from support.loadline.co.tz, it means you should first access the root of the main domain, then inside you'll find support.loadline.co.tz. But it's very fair and good, and a good experience to use its own path. If it's a subdomain or if it's an extended domain, just use its own path, because if you will be finding this sometimes on the future, I think you're going to get it very easier rather than mixing it with the root domain. Okay, so I'm going to click submit. It takes some few moments. Okay, yeah, so now, okay, you must specify a subdomain. Okay, yes, so let's say like I need to specify this. How about this? Wow, text to create a subdomain, and my subdomain is here right now. Okay, so we have a subdomain, and if we check here, I think we see we created lowline.co.tz. so if we go back to our root directories from file manager here, at least we can access the default folder for support.lowline.co.tz. and if you want to host something, I think it's where to get started. Okay, so if I use my localhost here, you see, first of all, I have a bunch of domains here. So sometimes you're gonna get confused, like, hey, why all of these files are here? It's because we have, this is for the one domain, this is for the subdomain, okay, this is for another domain, and there actually another one which is we created. I just pointed it to public. So in public, no, normally it's not in public. So we should find all these domains here. Okay, so at the end, if you created the domain, you'll be able to get started with it here, because when you click to its directory, like demo.lowline.co.tz, you see the directory is empty. So maybe you want to design a website, WordPress website. If you are going to install WordPress website, you will specify the directory based on your subdomains. I'm going to demonstrate this. Okay, let's say I need to install WordPress. Okay, here, and here I'm going to select the security protocol, which is HTTPS, and here we're going to check all of our domains. So when we check here, you see we have support.lowline.co.tz. so in case we select this, it means all files and our website will be live under support.lowline.co.tz. and this is actually the subdomain that we created. Okay, so this is the simplest way in how you can create here the subdomain from your hosting company or from your Cpanel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Maybe if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, so that you can reach out to more people and you can make more contents in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet into another video. Thank you. Bye.